Hey guys, good morning. I have you in my kitchen. I have lots of little things that I wanted to get done today. I went to Costco yesterday. That was in the video before this. And now I have a bunch of stuff to not necessarily restock, but I have, Tilly's out here being loud. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to put away. I have fruit I need to cut up or process, for lack of a better term, wash. So I figured I would just whip out my camera and film. And I also did, I'll try it again in a little while. I don't know if I want to make them back to back, but I made some sourdough croissants. They turned out really, really well. I'm going to turn those into breakfast sandwiches for Matt. I did get more croissants from Costco as breakfast sandwiches for Matt. I make them, throw them in the freezer, and then he has them. So that is the game plan for today. I have some very sad basil right there that I need to turn into some pesto. I'm going to make pesto chicken for dinner in, I think, my new air fryer, and then we're just going to do red sauce for pasta. I probably just use Rayos. I should start making my own again because I have lots of tomato products in the basement, but I'm feeling lazy and it's hot today. So that's the game plan. Let's see how much stuff I actually get done.
Stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. Feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Perhaps I'm going back, but I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. All the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
I see it in your eyes. I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Memories all I got, like an afterthought. What we felt and said, red wine in your bed, on the naked floor, behind that gated door, always so discreet, on 14 Washburn Street.
Okay, so I think I just finished everything that I said I was going to do. Tilly's choking on water. She's completely fine. I have the chicken marinating. I got all that fruit cut up, put away, processed. I made breakfast sandwiches, and I can't think of anything else I do. And like I said, I have the chicken marinating for dinner. I'm just going to boil up some pasta and put some Rayo's pasta sauce on it to keep it easy. And I think I'm caught up. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Please check me out on Instagram. My handle is up here. Leave me some comments below. I love talking to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We left and took our time where the walls don't speak, on 14 Washburn Street.